Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of the vlog. We are just getting ready for our Bolt Friday sale, which happens a week from today. If you guys know about Bolt Friday, we've been doing it for probably maybe about since 2013. It's a crazy sale. We only have one sale a year and it happens on Bolt Friday. And it only happens on that Friday, so it's only a 24-hour sale. It's a little more than 24 hours. It starts at midnight Eastern Standard Time, which is 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and then ends 9 Pacific Standard Time at midnight on Friday. Anyways, you guys understand time. If I look stressed out, I kind of am. We got a lot of stuff going on. We got a lot of orders to do, and I think it's only Alex and I that realize how significant and how busy Bolt Friday is and how crazy it gets. So it kind of weighs on me a lot, Bolt Friday, and just the weeks after that, it just gets so crazy. So kind of had to make a tough decision. I didn't even tell anybody about this or anything, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna take a break on the podcast. Just life gets way too crazy, guys, and once it does, and we have to dial it back a little bit, and the podcast is gonna have to go because that takes up so much time out of my day to do the podcast. And yeah, so usually at the end of the year things get really rough around here. Phone's blowing up all fucking day. So let's get down to these orders. It's just me and Gabe here today, so we're gonna be handling this, and hopefully we can have some fun today. So let's get to it.
We're looking at the top shelf right here that Gabe can't see, trying to see how stocked we are on black for Bolt Friday that's coming up next week. So basically, we're trying to see if we're all stocked up for Bolt Friday next week. If not, we'll probably send us some anodizing today so we can get it back ASAP. You know what'd be kind of sick actually, is if we all these washers right here are like ones that are old colors or like just colors that didn't sell, whatever, but they're all still good. So wouldn't it be kind of cool, you know, to do like a giveaway or something with all these like discontinued colors, kind of like we got like green, orange, the old bronze right here. Yeah, like this is actually pretty cool. We got keychains and stuff right here. There's like Downstar metal ones, and then Downtown with Downstar acrylic ones, and these are like mini shift knob keychain styled things. That'd be kind of hard to see, but pretty sick. Oh, you know what would be another sick thing if we did? Is like a giveaway on Bolt Friday of like a Chapo shift knob or something. If we can find one up here, that'd be pretty sick. Do like every order, you usually get like one entry or something.
That'd be pretty dope.
That'd be sick. You know what I was thinking would be cool too? Is if we made like just in general, not for Bolt Friday, but make a steering wheel. I saw a couple companies making like steering wheels. I think a Downstar like steering wheel.
That'd be cool.
Sick. All embroidered and everything.
That'd be pretty cool.
That'd be so sick. All right, back to business here. We're looking at our colors. Honestly, we look pretty stocked. I made this whole list. We might send some blue and some bronze. That's probably what I'm thinking. So we have all our washers counted out, ready to bag up. Just pop, bag them up, and then take them to anodizing. All right, guys. So some of you might know, but I picked up a BRZ last week. We'll do a whole reveal on it later. It needs a little bit of love. I'm fixing it all up this next coming week or two. But we're checking it out right now. We want to get a bolt kit done on it, and I had one on my old FRS, and I saved a lot of the washers and bolts from it. So we're gonna hopefully swap it over next week or something. But let's just check out all these bolts we can redo on it. Strut bar, we have a kit already for the strut bar, and the strut bar mounts over there. And then let's see, like the strut nuts. There you go.
There you go.
Yeah, and then we got our fender bolts here. Bolts for like the radiator overflow thing. Look at that sick Mugen radiator cap. Definitely not from my old Honda. You know, like these bolts right here. Low key, I replaced this bolt on my FRS. All the AC pressure comes out right there, so I had to refill the AC on the FRS because I definitely didn't know that was an AC line when I took the bolt out. This we can replace with a bolt. It's like a clip kind of thing right now. All that holds in the front bumper right here, we'll replace all these clips and stuff. I'm just making this lighting super hard for Gabe to film because there's really shadows, but I'm excited to get this build started. I hope we can do like a reveal of the car or something, like a full on like a week or two, but You can kind of see right here, it needs like the bumper's kind of cracked and like, I got it for a good price, but it needs some love. Oh, how's it going, guys? Today we're gonna be checking out a shop we like to call Downstar, DownStarInc.com. So I've never been here before, so let's see if anyone's home. Wait. Hey, who's knocking? Come on. Oh, how's it going? Hey, well, you guys wanna? I guess we'll go check it out. I guess it looks like they're open. Let's go. After you, good sir. All right, guys. So I was just looking at the car right now, and I saw that we have our sick Honda ECU, but we got our old crusty hardware and no Downstar ECU cover on here. So it's like, well, we could probably change that. I think we might have something here that could help us replace that. So we'll start by taking off this cover. And I actually don't know if Frank wants this cover on there, but I assume a Downstar one is way cooler than a stock one. So we will take out our hardware. Cover is off. Oh, look at that, very fancy. Isn't that crazy? You can run a car on this much right here.
Yeah.
All right, so leave that there for now, and then we'll go get our bolts and our cover. All right, guys, we got our ECU cover. I think we have one of these left on the website, so if you want one, you better hop on it pretty quick. We'll go get our hardware real quick because we want to do some dress-up hardware. The ECU covers, if you buy them from the website, include just regular hardware, but we're trying to go with dress-up hardware on this bad boy, so here we go. Got our washers. Let's go grab our bolts. Here we go. We got our bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're all set to go put this in the car. All right, guys, we are back now with a ECU cover and our hardware, plus an Allen wrench that I went and got. We'll put our hardware right there. So for these, you gotta peel off this, like, basically it's just clear acrylic, but it comes with this, it's like cardboard kind of stuff on it, like sticker, just to keep it all not scratched up in transit. So we'll do our best to try and peel this off right now. See, there you go, look at that. Oh, I ripped it a little bit, but oh well. So what I should do is get like a towel and clean it all up before we put it on, so there's no fingerprints on the underside of it. All right, we'll take off our OEM cover. Do not remove this label. Too late, Honda, sorry. Put that bad boy in place. Oh, I think this is sick. Start putting our hardware in. We'll just do 2 to get it started. Dang, look at that, tighten them all up. That's sick, actually. I like that. Dang, that's so cool. All right, guys, quick install done here at the shop. Now look at that, this thing's so much cooler than the OEM one with the OEM hardware. Look at that comparison, guys. I think this whole kit would run you like less than 40 bucks if you were to buy it on the site with the dress-up hardware. So, in my opinion, if you're looking at that all the time when you're driving your car, definitely worth it in terms of like cost versus benefit. I like it, looks sick.